the Schrade Extreme Survival knife. Would I recommend you pick one up? Sure. Remember, one is none, two is one. Will it do what you want? That's up to you. Would I make a modification? You bet. As well as to all my knives, I make modifications of this or that. Mainly, it's the spine. You have to have a square spine, because if it's a true survival knife, you will go ahead and use a ferrocerium rod, magnesium rod, any other rod that creates sparks. That is what you need. That is what you need to use. The Schrade Extreme Survival knife. Yes, I would recommend it. For $40? You bet. Prices will fluctuate. Stay tuned. The Schrade Extreme Survival knife. How good is it? It's pretty good. I can guarantee you. I've already used this one a little bit. I just want to say, you want to make one modification. You want that 90-degree spine. All survival knives, if it's truly used for survival, you should have a 90-degree spine. So it's very sharp. It can throw sparks very easy, scrape off whatever it is you need to start the fire. Now, all knife manufacturers, I'm going to get in trouble for this, but they should take a lesson from Mora knives. All of their knives are cool and they work. Let's take a look at this one. Schrade Extreme Survival. I like this knife. Jimping on the top. We'll go over specs in a minute. But the jimping on the top, the knife itself, it's a tactical knife. Henceforth, the piercing, thrusting forward as it cuts on this side, cuts on that side, goes in. Now, when you go to baton wood, this is going to present a problem. Any knife like that will at the clip point. But let me show you what I mean. Now I'm pushing real hard. It gives sparks a little bit, but not as good as it should. If this was squared and these edges sharp because they're rounded, that would be so much better. It really would. And if it is a survival knife, it's your knife, you can make that slight little modification and get it just right. Now, we can see it does a little bit of sparks, but you can easily correct that. Now, first of all, processing wood, batoning wood with a knife. If you want to cut wood, just use an axe, a hatchet, or what have you. It's a lot better. Now, when I go to hit this, or any other wood about this size, depending upon where you got that at, you see that? It's just like hitting the blade, the sharp end. So you're not going to do a whole lot with this, but you will baton wood with it. My goodness, this is good solid steel. See? It works good. But look what it did to this already. Hitting that top part, you'll tear up your baton real quick. But it works, and that's what counts. This knife will do the job. You make that modification and any other modification you want, it will work, it will get you home. Now the sheath, typical ballistic nylon, it's got an extra pouch for sharpening stones, survival gear, what have you. It will work. It will do well for you.